In a previous video, we shared the construction of the fence along the southern side of this Atlantic Beach oceanfront property. In this second phase of the project, we focused on the front of the home, replacing the fence to provide increased privacy from the public beach access walkway. At the same time, we cleared out the heavy underbrush along the northern side of the backyard fence line and replaced that section of fencing as well. Once we removed the overgrown vegetation, we uncovered a much larger issue. The existing makeshift bulkhead had deteriorated and needed to be completely removed and rebuilt before installing the new fence. Along this stretch of beachfront, structures take a daily beating from wind, sand, nor'easters, tropical storms, and hurricanes, so building a strong foundation was critical. We removed old cross ties and sections of a broken concrete retaining wall, then continued shaping the remaining landscape to prepare the area for a durable cedar picket fence. The new bulkhead was built using ground contact 4x6 posts, reinforced with 4x6 beams, secured by 6-inch headlock screws, and the space behind the bulkhead was backfilled to stabilize the yard. With the structural work complete, the new cedar fencing provides both durability and improved aesthetics along the property line. Our Rockaway client is thrilled with this phase of the project, and so are we. The upgraded bulkhead, fencing, and landscape improvements will provide privacy, curb appeal, and lasting outdoor living benefits for years to come.